Hello everyone. Today we shall start with the first chapter, Operating System Overview. The first point of Operating System Overview, Introduction and Definition of Operating System. A computer system consists of two main components, the hardware and the software. The hardware components include the CPU, the memory and the input-output devices. That is all parts of the computer which we can see and touch. The software part comprises of the system and the application programs. Software is nothing but a group of programs. The application programs such as compilers, text editors, word processors, spreadsheets, database system, etc. That are all the softwares which we use in our day-to-day life on our laptop or desktop. To use the various hardware components, the application programs and the users need an intermediate layer that provides a convenient interface to use the system. This layer is referred to as an operating system. The operating system is the most important system program and loaded onto the top of the memory. So example of operating system is DOS, that is this operating system, Windows, Macintosh, etc. Without operating system, we cannot use our computers. Next we'll see what is an operating system. An operating system is an intermediary between users and computer hardware. The purpose of an operating system is to provide an environment in which a user can execute programs. The primary goal of an operating system is to make the computer system convenient to use. Now, what is the meaning of convenient to use? Making the user easy to use the computer system. Using the computer system with the help of different application software. So we just double click on the icon and the program is executed. This is the meaning of convenient to use. The secondary goal is to use the computer hardware in an efficient manner. So we use the different resources or the computer hardwares like printers, screen, keyboard. When we use this, all the hardware parts, it becomes easy for us to handle the computer system. This is the meaning of efficient manner. The operating system performs the basic tasks such as receiving input from the keyboard, processing instructions and sending output to the screen. So we'll move on to the most important part, that is definition of operating system. An operating system is a program that acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware and controls the execution of all kinds of programs. An operating system is an important part of almost every computer system. Next we'll see this diagram in which we can see the use of an operating system. At the top level you can see the users, in the middle you can see the software, and at the base you can see the hardware. The user cannot directly deal with the hardware. We have to go through the softwares, that is the system software or the application softwares. So when the users want to execute something, they will either tell the system software or the application softwares. These softwares in turn will tell the operating system. The operating system will handle the hardware for you. Do all the things, give the input, take the output and give it back to either the system software or application software. And the output will be displayed on the screen for the users. So in this diagram you can see that operating system plays an intermediary or an interface between the user and the hardware. Thank you.